I is the incenter, I1, I2, I3 are the excenters of triangle ABC. If I is equal to 0, 0, I1 is equal to 2, 3, I2 is equal to 5, 7, then the distance between the orthocenters of triangle I1, I3 and I1, I2, I3. So this is I1, I3 and this is I1, I2 and I3. Okay. Now we know that first before solving this question, so we need to remember the 2 points. First point, if O is the orthocenter, of triangle ABC, then ABC are A, B, C are the orthocenter of triangle OBC, triangle OCA and triangle OAB respectively. This is one point you need to remember. And the second point, orthocenter of triangle I1, I2, I3 is equal to incenter of triangle ABC. Incenter of triangle ABC. These are the two important points you need to remember while for solving this question. Here in this question, I is the incenter given. I1 and I2, I3 are the excenters of triangle ABC, where it is given I0, 0, I1, 2, 3, I2, 5, 7. Then the distance between the orthocenters of triangle I1, I3. See, this is your triangle ABC. Its incenter is given. Incenter of triangle ABC is the orthocenter of triangle I1, I2, I3. Suppose here I is the incenter and I1, I2, I3 are the excenters respectively opposite to that. So let me take I1 here and here I2 and here I can consider I3. Now there is a triangle formed with I1, I2, I3 also. Okay. The orthocenter of triangle I1, I2, I3 is the incenter of triangle ABC. So orthocenter of triangle I1, I2, I3 is nothing but the incenter of the triangle, that is I0, 0. So we can come to one conclusion. Orthocenter of triangle I1, I2, I3 is same as here incenter of triangle ABC. What is incenter of triangle ABC? That is I. So which is 0, 0. So this is one point, you got it. And next one, orthocenter of triangle I1, I3. So here I1, I3. If I is the orthocenter, then the respective the remaining cases here I2 is the orthocenter of triangle I1, I3 and I3 is the orthocenter for I1 and I2 and I1 is the orthocenter for the remaining I3 and I2, right? So in this case, orthocenter of triangle I1, I3 will be equal to I2. So according to the first point, if O is the orthocenter, then ABC are the orthocenters of triangle respectively OBC, OCA and OAB. So similarly concept A2 will be the orthocenter for triangle I1, I3. So what is I2? I2 is given 5, 7. So now we need to find the distance between these two. Distance between I and I2 is nothing but under root of 5 square plus 7 square. So 5 square plus 7 square, 25 plus 49 is 74. So 74 units, root 74 units is the answer. Okay.